ranqueando as minhas músicas favoritas da segunda temporada de Hazbin Hotel, na minha opinião.
You're in my house with my rules and my room with my tools, and worse, you're at my mercy. First to watch me take it all. You've gone ass up, you're deep fried, your last luck has run dry. At last your check is cashed, I'd laugh at how you look so small. Don't you forget, you're on my string. We got the numbers, we got the thunder. Let's annex their real estate. If you wanna see a new world, raise your fists and make some noise. Manifest destiny, long as you invest in me, the rest will all fit into place.
Daughter of those sons and daughters, how can